So a very good morning to all the viewers who are watching my video at present, and I am from the team of Mission IS, Run with Integrity. And today in this video we will be discussing a clear detail as well as clear explanation regarding our upcoming examination, that is all about CGL. Hope you are preparing well for the examination. Hope you are doing well for the examination, and your preparation must and should have to go hand-on practice, because without this practice you will not going to crack the examination, because practice makes a man perfect. Okay, so based upon that quote, which I usually want to say you all, that prepare well for the examination, and do not be afraid of what you are doing. Do not be afraid of what you are having in the examination, and whatever indication has been given in the examination, follow that accordingly, and follow the approximation mark as well as the cutout, or you can say that mark to pass out the examination. The tier 1 as well as tier 2 examination must be must and should have to be in hand-on practice, right? Unless and until you would not be having these practice sets, you are not going to crack the examination. I am damn sure on that. So let me have a clear explanation regarding that, and I will be having a question by question explanation to you, and hope it will definitely enhance the opportunity for you to crack the examination in the very first attempt. So what is the question here? The United Kingdom. Here the place is what? Here the place it has been given, it is a country, right? So it is a country. So the United Kingdom dash England, Wales, Scotland and Northland or Northern Ireland. So what this usually consisting of? So United Kingdom usually consisting of these states, right? Or these countries, or these different countries, right? United Kingdom. So UK. So UK is that place where it has been constituting these many kinds of states or capitals, right? So what this among these options, which of the following option is right? One is combines or comprises of or comprises or consisting of. So usually United Kingdom usually comprises. Okay, so answer number answer number C is the right answer. I can make you draw that. Okay, so answer number C is the right answer for the above given question, which you have to fill. Okay, so answer number C is the right option. We can say that for the question or United Kingdom. Okay, so then after, if we move on to the next number question, Jyoti refused to be dashed to her long illness. So Jyoti is it is a object, right? So we can say that here person is been referred. So which of the following is absolutely right answer regarding that? So Jyoti refused to disprinted. Okay, disprinted. SPI, disprinted is the right answer, because it usually meanings about the illness. Okay, about the negativity of a sentence. Okay, answer number A is the right answer. Let me go to the third number option. He will impart no information dash anyone. So he will impart no information. What is the right answer behind that? So he will impart to no information to anyone. So answer number B is the right answer. Then after going to fourth number option, Jim suffered a dash. Jim suffered a dash of fortune. So Jim usually suffered a reversal of fortune. Okay, so answer number D is the right answer. Let me go to the fifth number answer. So fifth number question, he was dashed by nature and so avoided all companies. So he was usually timid by the nature. Okay, so timid is the right answer for the question given here. So timid is the right answer to avoid all companies rehearsal, or it is also been a negative sentence in respect to. Okay, so let me go to the sixth number question, what it is given here. So several guests noticed Mr. Sharma falling back in his chair and gasping for breath. So which of the following is an error in this sentence? So usually it is a perfect sentence, I can say. So it is even having no kind of errors. Okay, then after, many a man. So here you have to keep a note. Many a man wanted to be rich quickly. So what is the right answer behind that? Many a man. So many a man is the error which you have to find on that. So okay. So many a man. Are you thinking right? That is the right answer, right? You are absolutely thinking that it is the right answer because it is all about many a man. We haven't read any kind of sentences regarding that many a man. So but you have to keep a note that many a man wanted to be rich. So here you have to keep a note wanted to be. What this sentence though answer is wanted to be. So here what it usually signifies here, many a man wanted to be. So many a man wanted, where it is been plural or singular, you have to keep a note. Many, so maximum, so it is giving singular or plural nouns. Okay, plural, many. So here wanted to be doesn't, I wanted to be, it is a singular noun. So I is usually helps in wanting, right, or wanted. So here you have to keep a note that so wanted to be is the wrong option. We can say that error in the sentence. Okay, so then after moving to eighth number question, we have finished. Okay, let me take my pen. We have finished our work 3 hours ago and have been waiting for you since then. What is the right answer behind that? I'm giving you time, just make a note on that. We have finished our work 3 hours ago. We have finished our work 3 hours ago. What is the right answer? So let me quickly rehearsal that. We have finished our work. We have finished our work is the wrong option or the error in the sentence. Okay, so then after moving to ninth number question, a study is going underway to determine the exact concentration of lead in the water supply. So what is the right answer behind that? So a study is going underway. So it is the error one. We have to keep a note. Okay, ninth number is C. Okay, it is a study. A study is going to underway. Okay, so then after the Russian ambassador, where boat is not known to anyone. So what is the right answer behind that? That is all about having a no error. Okay, so Russian ambassador whereabouts is not known to anyone. So here you have to keep in note the 10 number questions which I have said for starting from first to 10. It is all about CGL, which is I have already displayed here, combined graduate level, that is 2015 number question. Maybe it may be repeats again. So you have to keep a note and you have to proceed accordingly. These 10 number questions, 10 questions about here finding as well as filling the blanks. Okay, or blank filling, we have to keep a note on that and we have to proceed accordingly. Okay, so let me end the video with the 10 number question itself, because if I proceed with next set of question, it will be time taking. Okay, so these many questions I will be displaying and I will be up, and I hope you have several doubts regarding this. If you have any queries regarding this, just inform me in my comment box.